It is Peter 403G here, and our power is going on and off all the time. Just because one of the lines across the street, maybe you could see that right there, has been knocked down by a tree limb. It's bending now. We have about 3 inches of snow on the ground. Still coming down very, very hard. Still a lot of snow. By the end of the day, we could have upwards of 6 inches, I think.
Power's back on.
Don't have any internet or cable, but the power is now back on. But it's been going on and off for the past 5 minutes.
Is it going to keep snowing?
Here's the backyard. It is really coming down. Last year we rarely got snowstorms like this in the winter. Let alone, October. We got this monster-sized storm in October. This doesn't make any sense at all, but it's crazy.